Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into two important topics: vocabulary development and a simple breakdown of family relationship names. Whether you're looking to expand your English skills or just brush up on the names of various family members, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, let's talk about vocabulary development. Building a strong vocabulary is essential for communication, whether you're speaking, writing, or reading. A broad vocabulary helps you express yourself more clearly and understand others better. Tips for developing vocabulary. 1. Read regularly. Reading books, newspapers, or even online articles helps you discover new words in context. 2. Use a dictionary or a thesaurus. When you come across unfamiliar words, look them up. Also, use a thesaurus to find synonyms. 3. Learn a word a day. Challenge yourself to learn one new word every day and practice using it. 4. Practice speaking and writing. Practice makes perfect. Try using new words in your daily conversations or when you write. 5. Play word games. Word games like Scrabble, crosswords, and word searches are fun ways to expand your vocabulary. Remember, building a strong vocabulary doesn't happen overnight, but with regular practice, you'll see improvement. Now, let's move on to family relationship names. Part 2. Family relationship names. In this section, we're going to explore common names for family relationships. These names vary depending on who we're referring to in the family tree. My parents' father is my grandfather. My parents' mother is my grandmother. My father is my dad or father. My mother is my mum or mother. My brother's male child is my nephew. My sister's female child is my niece. My mother's sister is my aunt. My father's brother is my uncle. My parents' brother's child is my cousin. My husband's father is my father-in-law. My wife's mother is my mother-in-law. As you can see, there are specific names for every family relationship. Learning these terms helps us describe our connections more clearly. Now, a quick challenge for you. Can you name the relationship of your mother's brother? That's right, he's your uncle. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found this useful in both expanding your vocabulary and understanding family relationship names. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more informative content. See you in the next video.